Have you ever felt like you were hitting rock bottom, like the weight of the world was on your shoulders and you just couldn't see a way out? I think we've all been there at some point. It's in those moments that a single story, a single voice of hope, can make all the difference. Today, I want to talk about someone who has become that voice for millions. Ash, the incredible force behind victory with Ash. So, who is Ash? At first glance, you might see a charismatic and energetic creator, but her story runs so much deeper. Ash has openly shared her own journey through immense personal challenges, battling adversity that would have broken most people. She's talked about her struggles with mental health, the feeling of being lost, and the painstaking process of rebuilding her life piece by piece from the ashes of her past. And that's where the name comes from, finding victory, not by ignoring the tough times, but by rising from them. Her message isn't about pretending life is perfect. It's raw, it's real, and it's incredibly powerful. Instead of offering quick fixes or empty promises, Ash focuses on practical, actionable steps for building resilience. She talks about the importance of self-compassion, of celebrating the small wins, and of creating a daily routine that supports your mental and emotional well-being. Think of it as building a personal toolkit for life's inevitable storms. What's truly amazing is how this message has created a global community. From a student in South Korea feeling overwhelmed by academic pressure, to a single parent in Brazil juggling work and family. People from all walks of life are finding solace and strength in her words. The comment section on her videos isn't just full of praise. It's a living, breathing support group. People share their own stories of struggle and triumph, offering encouragement to strangers across the globe. It's a testament to the fact that vulnerability is a superpower. When one person is brave enough to share their scars, it gives others permission to show theirs too. One of the core ideas Ash champions is the concept of micro-victories. We often think that transformation has to be this huge, dramatic event. But she teaches that real, lasting change happens one small step at a time. Did you get out of bed today when it felt impossible? That's a victory. Did you drink a glass of water? That's a victory. Did you take 5 deep breaths when you felt anxiety creeping in? A huge victory. By reframing our perspective, we start to see that we are winning all day, every day. This simple shift in mindset is fundamentally changing how people view their own progress and capabilities. The impact goes beyond just inspiration. Ash partners with mental health organizations using her platform to raise awareness and funds. She constantly reminds her audience that it's okay not to be okay, and more importantly, it's brave to ask for help. She provides resources, shares hotlines, and works to destigmatize the conversation around mental health. She's not just a content creator, she's an advocate, a true champion for those who feel voiceless. So, what can we take away from the Victory with Ash movement? It's a powerful reminder that our past doesn't have to define our future, that our struggles can become our greatest source of strength, and that, even in our darkest moments, there is always hope for a new beginning. Ash's story proves that one person's journey of healing can ripple outwards, inspiring a wave of transformation that touches lives all over the world. Thank you so much for watching. If you've been inspired by this story, I encourage you to check out Victory with Ash for yourself. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more uplifting content. See you next time.